This is my dad with a similar system. I'm going to show you the full plans of this brilliant system. You can see you've got your inlet here. The grow bed consists out of a plastic container. This is an agricultural plastic mold that they use for feeding. You can check out local manufacturing companies if they can manufacture something similar for you. It need not to be dedicated to aqua or hydroponics. So this one is 300 millimeters deep. It's 500 wide and it's 2 meters long. Alright, so here's your grow media. This grow media that we've got here works quite well. Please remember to test it so that it's pH neutral. I've got a specific video on that. I'll put it on top here and also link it in the description. Then here's your bell siphon. Now this is a bell siphon that really works. So I've also got a video that tells you exactly how the measurements and everything and how to construct it. And the secret to this one is this little pipe coming out here. Right, there's the inside of your bell siphon. And this is just a cover to prevent some of this media to fall into that bell. And then at the bottom of the bell siphon, you've got your outlet, and your outlet will then just drain into your sump. So this pipe is going to the sump. The metal frame is a 40 millimeter tubing that we've used, and you can see on the ground there we've just put a end cap welded on the end of the leg so that it doesn't push into the ground. Just the dimensions for you quickly. It's 2 meters long, 500 millimeter wide, 300 deep, and we use a 40 millimeter square tubing for the steel. When you select a pump, this is normally the specifications that you'll get for that pump. First will be your maximum power, your flow rate in a given time period, per hour in this case. Your delivery height, so your maximum delivery height is 150 centimeters in this case. Power cable length, maximum submersion depth, that's how deep the pump can be underneath the water. And then your fitting size. So you'll normally get a pump curve like this one here. And this specific model, you can see 1.5 meter is the maximum lift, but it will lift almost nothing at 1.5 meters. So at 1.2 meters, it will lift between 150 and 300 liters per hour. So this is the completed system with tomatoes, of course. So I'm just going to zoom in here to show you. This is where your nutrient is pumped into your grow bed from the pump underneath. I will show you that just now. The pump is situated in the sump just below the grow bed. Here you can see the small fountain pump that's used. Here you can see the output pipe of the bell siphon from the grow bed going into the sump. The sump consists out of 2 containers. We had the 2 containers. You can see they just joined at the bottom with a pipe. That is just to increase the volume of the sump. It's already late in the season, and this is the second batch of tomatoes for the season, and as you can see, they're really doing well at this stage. I want to introduce you to a very special person, my hero.